Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we have a special guest. My daughter Emily is here. And we are going to unbox her Ipsy. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, it comes in a beautiful...
It's so nice.
bag.
It's nice packaging.
Yes, it's exciting every time we go to the mailbox. So go ahead, let's get started.
Okay. Oh, it comes with like a different like pouch. I make makeup bag every month, but this month it has these like a mask, you know, like Cinderella.
Maybe there's a mask inside.
Maybe. This is nail polish.
What's the brand of that?
Pretty Woman nail polish. Oh, this is pretty.
Okay, I kind of like that.
Here's the color. That's nice. It's really like fall colors.
Maybe I can
Nice
have
and
that.
autumn.
And time to time, I do take her Ipsy stuff. This one I might be taking. Let me take a look.
No.
Okay, go ahead, continue.
Okay. This is blackhead removal mask. It says apply a thin, but a quack.
We don't need to read that. Moving right along. Let's. Let me see this.
It's a peel off mask. And in quotations, it says, it may look gross, but it's super satisfying. This is a blush serum. It says, nourishing water-based cheek and lip color.
Cheek, probably. Cheek and lip.
Oh, shit.
Let me just help you out here. I'll be doing the reading from here on out.
No, so here's what it looks like.
Okay, yeah, blush serum. I like it.
So this is babe tested, vegan approved.
But what is
I
that?
don't know.
Here, wait, let me unbox that.
It's lip fondant. Why can't I
Oh,
pronounce
lip gloss,
anything?
lip fondant. Okay. Okay, half caked. So fondant is a frosting on a cake, basically. So half caked. Okay, so it's a lipstick.
Here's Tarte shape tape.
Okay, I am stealing that.
No.
Yes, for sure.
No.
Don't you already have a shape
No.
tape?
No. It's contour concealer, light medium. It's the color.
Yeah, perfect. That I need that for my under eyes, right, people?
No.
Yes. I
Unless
might
you
need
want
that.
to trade
Okay, okay. Let me see.
for something really good. Who said nights were for sleep? We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, inexplainable,
I'll be doing the reading from here on out. We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, inexplicable things that go down when you stay out late. Okay, we are not reading this. I'm not sure if this has been mother approved or not. We'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Oh, look, I opened this. Let's
Let me
check this
see.
out.
Oh, that is really dark.
Yeah, that is pretty dark.
You can have that.
Let me see.
What's this like?
Pretty dark.
Oh, I would like really bad with that. I'm not good with like.
I'll keep this one too.
I'm not good with like.
Are you getting anything out of this, or am I stealing everything?
No, I'm getting
You're definitely getting
this.
that. Are we done?
I don't have buckets.
So
I'm
there were
getting
1,
this,
2.
And I'm getting this and this. And you
Awesome.
can keep that.
Really? Yeah. Thank you. We wanted to share with you some past Ipsy items that we love. So
I gave this one to my mom because I didn't really need it. It's a primerizer, so you can talk about that.
okay.
Where'd
Well,
it go?
we're not going to talk about that anymore. Here's an item from a past Ipsy bag, Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer.
That I gave to her.
Yes, thank you very much. And what else do we have?
What do you want to say about that?
A primer. Well, it goes on before your makeup, first thing.
But what do you like about it?
It's just a good, clean, it goes on real smooth and I like it.
So this is Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. So it goes on your hair, and I put it on like right after I shower, and like when my hair's like half dry, they kind of do, right after I get out my hair from the towel. And it's anti-frizz, it detangles, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorinated salt water, restores silkiness and shine, and enhances natural body. And it's coconut, and it's literally the best smelling thing ever.
Oh, I love coconut.
It smells
I love anything
so good.
coconut, honestly. Then she let me have this. It's the Balm Voyage. It's the, a color from it, and it's Willkommen, which is welcome in German probably. And actually I have it on today, but I also happen to have the actual Balm Voyage palette, so I thought I'd show you that. And it's, okay, so it's basically everything you need in one day, and look at this. How gorgeous is this? So it's got blush, it's got eyeshadow and lip and cheek balm. So it is the bomb. Take it on vacation with you.
Okay, so I have this really good smelling perfume, and it's like my favorite perfume I've ever gotten from my Ipsy, and I'm gonna get a new one because it's almost out. But it's called Sud Pacific. It is vanilla blackberry.
Put it on right now so I can smell
it. It smells so good. I love it so much.
Okay, yeah. Actually, that is. I
so
like
good.
that.
It's so good. I use it every day.
We end every video with something for the mind, something for the spirit, and the hero item of the day. And I have a big surprise for that one. So something for the mind. You know what I'm just going to tell everyone to do? You need to watch some and listen to some TED Talks. Get the app, listen to it. I will tell you for sure, listen to Susan Cain because she wrote the book Quiet. And do yourself a favor, I always learn something. And there's so many to choose from. Pick a topic that you like and that you're interested in, and I promise you, you will learn something amazing. And for the spirit, I've got this precious family, Cole and Savannah and Beverly. They just wrote a book. You can get it on Audible if you don't want to get the hardcover. It's our surprising love story. And I will tell you, on Audible, they actually do use their own. Yes, they read it themselves. They use their own voices. I'm sure you're familiar with them. They are on YouTube. But more than that, they love Jesus more than anything.
They're so cute.
And
their daughter Beverly is so adorable.
She's precious.
And she's precious.
Like, she was literally born with that personality. Like, you can't make that up. Like, that just comes right from within her, and she's amazing, and they're amazing.
They're like what I want to be, like when I have a family. They're so cute.
They're goals. They're role models.
They
really are role models, and they're precious. So download their book, get their book, watch their channel. They're precious. Finally, my hero item of the day. Look at my puppy.
She's all short though. Her haircut.
I know. You'll be seeing her a lot on my channel, but she's precious. She's my mostly companion. She follows me everywhere. Her name is Jessie. With that, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media, especially Pinterest, because I have a lot of amazing things on Pinterest. And
follow me on Instagram. It's at Emily.Solis with 2 S's.
Okay, they'll find you.
Bye!
Bye! Love ya.